Hello and welcome to Genius Print. Today in this video, as you've seen in this thumbnail, that I'm going to tell you or discuss some important MCQ questions on the biography of Acharya Prafullo Chandra Ray. Okay, as you know that the biography and this contributions to Indian science of this scientist is carried 20% of the marks. Okay, so in this lectures I'm going to tell you or give you 10 important MCQ questions based on his biography. Okay, so before I begin, I will request all of you, please subscribe our channels and hit the bell icon so that you can get this entire notification regarding our video. Okay, so without wasting time, let's get started. Today, one important things you have to remember that as it is an all India basis examinations, and for that reason my lectures is only goes to English. Okay, so if you want to see these lectures in Bengali language also, then you can write on this comment section. I will try to take this another video. Okay, otherwise you have to see this video only. As you know that reasoning sections of this examinations is carried 10% of marks. Okay, 10% of marks, and Indian contribution to science is carried 20% of marks. Math and science is carried 50% of marks, and biography of Acharya Prafullo Chandra Ray and his contribution to Indian history and science is carried 20% of marks. In total it is 20 plus 20 40, 40 plus 50 90, and 10 becomes 100. Total it is 100% marks. Okay, so this 100%, out of this 100%, I am going to start this 20% marks today. Okay, this 20% marks today, and for that reasons you have to keep in mind that out of this 20%, each and every questions will carry 1 marks and 1 marks. Okay, each and every questions will carry 1 marks. Therefore 20% of the total weightage will carry 20 questions. Okay, it is 20 questions and each question carries 1 marks. Therefore it will carry total 20 marks. 20 marks, it's a great part of this examination. Okay, so this 20 marks is totally based on the life biography and a contribution of his toward this Indian science is 20, and all these questions will be on the MCQ format. Okay, so in the previous year it was based on this Venkatesh Babuji Ketkar. Now it is Sir Acharya Prafullo Chandra Ray. Okay, so let's start. So our first questions, as you see in the screen, is when was Sir Acharya Prafullo Chandra Ray born? That means we have to say at which date Sir A.P.C. Roy was born. Okay, so option A says that it is August 2, 1861. Option B says that it is August 2, 1846, and option C says that August 20, 1864, and option D it is none of this. So you have to guess first of all which would be the correct answer. I hope you have guessed, and let me check your answer. Yes, it is option number A is correct. That is question number 1, option number A is correct. That means August 2, 1861 is the correct answer. Question number 2 says that where was Acharya Prafullo Chandra Ray was born? That means we have to say the place where he was born. So option A is Bardhaman district of West Bengal. Option B is Jessore district, now currently in Bangladesh. Option C is Kumilla district of Bangladesh, and option D is Siliguri of West Bengal. So guess. Yes, your guess may be correct. Okay, so it's option B is correct. This is Jessore district of Bangladesh. Okay, so question number 2 is option number B, Jessore. Jessore district. Now it is currently where? Bangladesh. At that time there was not Bangladesh, because both this East Bengals and West Bengals was together attached because there was a British rule. So in that situation she was born. Okay, so it is Jessore district which is currently available in Bangladesh. Okay, yes, let me tell you this village of his also, which is called this Raroli Katpara. Okay, so name of the village was Raroli Katpara. Rarulikatpara. Okay, so Raroli Katpara was the village names where he was actually born, and the Jeshore district was the district. Now it is Bangladesh. Okay, hope you understand. Now next question number 3. See, I am that means preparing these questions first of all for different books and website. That means after go through this, I am collecting and making these questions. Okay, so please like our video and share it with your friends, because a lots of time is necessary. You know it, and so one like is necessary for us. Okay, so now question number 3. Acharya Prafullo Chandra Ray's father's name was. That means you have to name the fathers of Acharya Prafullo Chandra Ray. Option A, it is Harish Chandra Ray. Option B, it is Avinash Chandra Ray. Option C, it is Kamal Chandra Ray. And option D is none of this. So like other questions, you have to guess. Yes, some of you may give this correct answer. Option A is correct, Harish Chandra Ray. Okay, so question number 3 is option number A, Harish Chandra Ray. Harish Chandra Ray is the correct answer. Okay, so Harish Chandra Ray was fathers of Acharya Prafullo Chandra Ray. Okay, so let's move on the question number 4. So question number 4 says that Acharya Prafullo Chandra Ray's mother's name was. So who was his mother's? Option A, it is Bhuvaneshwari Devi. Option B, Kamala Devi. Option C, Bhuvan Mohini Devi. And option D, it is Pulan Rani Devi. So like others question, guess first of all. See, I am gonna very fast because we have to cover lots of question now. Most probably if I will get times, then also I will discuss some other topics also in this video lectures. Okay, about this examinations. So first of all, let me finish this. Okay, so what will be the correct answer? Yes, some of you may give this correct answer. It is also, you can say, one kind of mock test, because all these questions are appearing on your screen as a questions, MCQ questions. So first of all, you have to guess it and see our result or answer. Okay, so answer question number 4 is option number C, that is Bhuvan Mohini Devi. So option number, yes, C, option number C, Bhuvan Mohini Devi. Bhuvan Mohini Devi is the correct answer. Okay, see, these questions actually I have collected by visiting different website. I saw it is 100% accuracy, and if on that questions, if anybody said that there may be some error, then you can write on the comment section, so I will try to recover it. Okay, question number 5. After initial education, Acharya Prafullo Chandra Ray was offered which scholarship? That means when he actually completed his initial education, then he was offered an scholarship. You have to name the scholarship given to him. Okay, so option A, it is a Gilchrist scholarship. Option B, it is Michael scholarship. Option C, it is Victoria scholarship. And option D, it is Charles Cornwallis scholarship. Okay, so what may be correct answer? Guess first of all. See, I will give you some clue when that means through which way you can score maximums in your exams, but this will come some days before of this examinations. Until this examination, that means in this video, you have to wait and frequently visit our website or channel, so that you can get this different video lecture regarding this. Okay, so I am sure I will get another video regarding this examinations until we will take this video. Okay, so yes, it is option number A, that is Gilchrist scholarship is the correct answer. Okay, Gilchrist, question number 5, option number A. GIL. Gilchrist Scholarship. Okay, Gilchrist Scholarship is the correct answer. This is option number A. When he actually completed his initial education, then this scholarship was given, because you know that Acharya Prabhat Chandra Ray was a great scientist. So you can imagine at his schooling levels how talented he was. Actually, we are saying that Acharya Prabhat Chandra Ray is God gifted for us, because at that times this kind of scientist was unexpected from India. So he was a very meritorious student, bright student, and for that reason he achieved this Gilchrist scholarship. Okay. Okay, so let's move on to the question number 6. Question number 6 says that which prize was won by him for the thesis of DSc? That is, when he completed his BSc, then he completed DSc degree also. So for this DSc degree, he have to choose one thesis. Now, for that thesis, he was actually given a prize. You have to name this prize. So it is option A is Laurel Prize. Option B it is David Prize. Option C it is Hope Prize, and option D it is Spirit Prize. So which may be the correct answer? First of all, you have to guess. Yes, correct answer is option number C. It is Hope Prize. Okay, question number 6. Yes, option number C. It is Hope Prize. Okay, so Hope Prize was actually he achieved while he chose his thesis and completed his DSc degree. Okay. Another thing is that from this 1st November, this information let me share with you. From 1st November, most probably they will start this mock test. Okay, and 30th November, most probably yes, 30th November they will conduct these examinations. Okay, examination maybe from this 10 a.m. Okay, so please keep in mind these informations while giving this test, and different strategy, as I already told you in our previous video lecture, that how you have to score maximum in these examinations. You have to see this video, and you have to keep in mind these things. Okay, I think some days later, they will start to give you this study materials also, or yet it may be started already. Actually, I have not visited this website a couple of days, so you can see or visit their website. And those who have not already fill up these forms, it is 30th of this October's month is the last date of this examination. So I'll try to give this in this comment description box, this link. Please click on this link and fill up these forms as fast as possible. Okay, so yes, now let's move on to the question number 7. So question number 7 says that Acharya Prafulla Chandra Ray was scientist of. That means you have to choose from which background he was the scientist. So option A it is physics, option B biology, option C cosmology, and option D is chemistry. And it is one of the simplest questions you can say, because all of you have know this answer, and it is correct option is D, that is chemistry. So question number 7, option number D, chemistry. Okay, so chemistry was the background of his research, and sometimes we may call him as the fathers of Indian chemistry. Okay, because he discovered many things on this chemistry. Okay, so let's move on to the question number 8. Question number 8 says that which of the following was discovered by Acharya Prafulla Chandra Ray? I was already told in your question number 7. Actually, in so many topics, so many things was discovered in the chemistry subject by Acharya Prafulla Chandra Ray. So one of these is option number A, sodium nitrate, option number B, potassium nitrate, option number C is mercurous nitrate, and option number D is calcium nitrate. Yes, you can guess. It may be a little bit tough. Yes. Question number 8, option number C, there is mercurous nitrate was discovered by him. Very important question. So, question number 8, option number C is the correct answer. Mercurous nitrate. Mercurous nitrate. Mercurous nitrate was discovered by Acharya Prafula Chandra Ray. Okay, so these will continue. There are some questions also left. I will continue not only these questions. These are some of the sample questions. I will continue so many questions. That means so many questions you will get in the form of the MCQ from his biography and also from science, physics, chemistry also. Okay, so those who have not seen our previous video, you can see there was some of the other remaining video, also regarding these examinations of 2021, but these strategical plans also you can apply. I will try to give it on the I buttons. Okay, so you will see it here, or also you can visit our channels and the playlist. Okay, you will get everything about it on this 2020. Some of the topics have changed, and I am try to taking this video on this new topics, and those video was on this 2020 examinations are also be you can use for this 2021. Okay, so let's move on to the question number 9. Question number 9 says that which book was written by Acharya Prafula Chandra Ray? That means you have to name one book given by Acharya Prafula Chandra Ray. So option A is chemical science. Option number B is chemistry in India. Option number C is rule of chemistry, and option number D is life and experience of a Bengali chemist. So you can easily get this answer because he was from this Bengali caste. Okay, so correct answer is option number D, that is life and experience of Bengali chemist was the book written by Acharya Prafula Chandra Ray. So question number 9 is option number D, that is life and experience of a Bengali chemist. Now question number 10, this is our last question for today's class. Question number 10, it says that for further educations Acharya Prafula Chandra Ray was gone to. That means when he completed his educations in India, that means at Calcutta, then he went to another country or another, that means abroad. So you have to say where he was gone for further education. So option number A is Britain, option number B is USA, option number C is South Africa, and D is Canada. So if you use your brain little bit on these questions, you can easily give this answer because I am giving some clue to you. At that times India was ruled by British, and British was from which country, and we basically went at those country who are ruled us. So these 3 clue I have given to you. You can easily guess this answer, and yes, your yes it is, yes, your guess is correct. Option A is the correct, it is Britain. So question number 10 is Britain. Okay, so Britain is the correct answer. So here I have discussed 10 important questions in the MCQ format from his biography. So in previous that means year also we discussed different questions from Venkatesh Babuji Khatkar's biography, and many questions appeared in these examinations, and you can also see these questions and trust us that these types of questions can come here today's, that means in this 2021 PVM examinations also. Okay, so if this video is helpful for you, please subscribe these channels and hit the bell icon, and please share this video with your friends. Okay, So now let me tell you some another important thing is that for subject basis, actually some of the students told me that sir, which books I will choose for this different subject. So I will say that you have to follow some advanced book. Basically, after completing your NCERT book, you have to follow IIT Foundation for Math, very important. IIT Foundation for Math, a very important books. If you, that means solve these standard questions for your class, and you can follow one class upper also or two class uppers also. If you solve this kind of questions from any classes, suppose you are in class 6, then you have to solve this IIT Foundation of class 6 or 7, or if you are class 7, then you can complete, that means finished 7 or 8, but you have to choose this kind of question because this standard can enhance you and you can easily crack mathematical sections, I am sure. And for the science also you can follow IIT Foundations, or you can follow one is Silberjune's books. Silberjune, they also conduct Olympiad examination, and these kind of books can also enhance your knowledge. Okay, so science and math, IIT Foundation, Silberjune, and one other is for upper classes are also you can follow Lakshmi Singh. Okay, Lakshmi Singh and Manjit Kaur. This science books is also good books. You can follow it and go through it after completing your NCERT textbooks. Okay, so these are some important things. I will try to take another MCQ question from different subject also, but you have to write on the comment section for this. Okay, so hope you understand this things what I want to share with you and enjoyed this video. Okay, so thanks for watching.